The company sent me this Dungeon and Dragon dice mold, and I was really excited to do one of these as I've never done one before. But it comes with the actual silicone mold, lots of different items that come inside of the packaging. I've got finger cots, I've got spoons, I've got scrapers. It doesn't come with the epoxy. It basically comes with everything you need except for epoxy and like coloring or glitter or whatever you want to put in there. So mix up your epoxy like you normally would. I added some alcohol inks to all of my epoxies and just stirred them around. And then I poured them into the actual molds. And I think I used about probably 30 milliliters of epoxy for this. So not a whole lot to make a whole dice set. But yeah, you see me filling it up here. After you do that, you're going to put the lid on and just let it set in a level area for probably 24 hours. Try not to touch it. It just depends on how long it takes for your epoxy to cure. And I'm just cleaning off the little cubes here. And it was easy to get out of the mold. And I think with all the different color styles that you can use, that these would be really, really good for your game.